Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. This is Amber. This is me. I've got some friend mail and I'm gonna open up a DAC. So this is from Meriah from Crazy Diamonds. I will link her channel below. I've got some cute polka dot wrapping paper. I'm sorry, girl. I'm just ripping into it. There we go. Okay. So she made me add a line. A tin. Oh, here's her. So there. That's her, guys. It's a cute little card. Thank you, Meriah love. She also gave me washi tape. Ooh, rainbow washi tape. That's really pretty. Thank you, love. Look how beautiful these tins are. She does an amazing job. That's such beautiful colors. Love it. And look at Adeline. So pretty. I really like it. Thank you, love. And then this, I can use my little sticker from my kit, and I can make this slides. So it slides open like that, and so I can use that little sticker and I can make my own little, so I can put a magnet on it and make it for my trash. So that's cool. Thank you, love. I appreciate it. And this beautiful, what are these called? Origami bags? Isn't that pretty? Thank you. Okay. Put your card up here. That's a cute card. Okay. We got a big one. It's alright. I'm not going to sing this song again, because I always do that. At first glance, what can we tell right off the bat? That has the blue lines. That means it's going to be a square. And then on the other ones, not only is it's blue up here, the image is blue, and then the other one, the image is pink. So that's how you know. Well, let me close this knife. Meriah, she got me this one too. I thought this was like, I didn't know what this was. I've heard different stories, but this I thought was a box cutter, but I guess it's so you can knock your window out. This is cut your seatbelt and some other things. I think like you can open up a bottle or something. Okay. So what one did I get? I got Willa. I thought I already unboxed her, and I didn't, guys. By Micah Jelena. And we are doing a collaboration together. It's hashtag love, capital L, and then 4, the letter 4, capital M, Micah. Here's our toolkit. She's a big girl. So see this little, let me just show you. I'm just going to show you how this will fit. Or you can go over there and watch her channel. See? A little most of that is gonna fit on there. Maybe a little bit will have to be taken off, but just probably the very bare minimum. See? It's gonna fit on there perfect. Thank you. So excited. That's for Adeline. We're doing Adeline together. But here's the baby sticker. And here is the big sticker. Look at her eyes, y'all. She's stunning. She's so gorgeous. Oh, she's beautiful with her feather pen. She's got an ink pot there. She has her book. She has incense burning. She's got boots with the fur. She's got her leopard or cheetah. I think that's a cheetah or leopard. I don't know. Coat on. Her wings. She's got a beautiful hat. It's got a jewel right there with like the leopard cheetah print. She's got freckles, y'all. Probably can't see that, but her beautiful necklace. And she's square, and I just got square diamonds, y'all. There's 43 colors, and see, yep, 1 AB. We definitely need to AB this one out. Alright, let's go. Let me put Adeline back. Let's look. Oh, let me get this. This is big. Does it have 2 sets of drills? It seems very heavy. And I just ripped it. I didn't care. I wasn't being soft. Yep. Nope. It's just because they line them up different now. They put them 1, 2, 3, 4s. They put them in 4s. So then they don't have to do it 2 different packs. They just give you one big pack. So these are our drills. This is definitely, I love these colors and mauves and pinks and like, this is my palette for sure. I mean, some of it is darker, but let me roll her backwards. What do we do when it's poured glue? Roll it back on itself. So you just roll it backwards this way. So you just roll it back the opposite way when you take it out of the canvas. That way it lays flat and I can show it. The canvas is really soft, y'all. It's tarpaulin. It's patent, so no one else can, nobody else can make this type of canvas. They can try and make it soft, but they can't ever get this canvas because Diamond Club owns the patent to it. So they truly are one of a kind in that way that no one else can have a canvas like this. Okay. So before I show you her, oh, and instructions, step by step. We don't need that. Just tells you tips and tricks. It tells you how to diamond paint. So we get the poke you, make you bleed tweezers. You get your pen. I would say this is a good amount of baggies, guys. This is probably in the 30, or about 30. You get a squishy. This just goes on the pen like this. Comes at the 4-placer. Goes on the end of your pen. I knew this one is squished right here, so I knew I'd have a hard time. If you ever have a hard time, guys, try going from this side. There. Like that. It helps tremendously. I wish someone would make a squishy big enough for the acrylic pens. Okay, we got 2. Look like they've been nibbled on and stuff. I don't know what happened. These are a little bit, they are the darker, but these ones are a little lighter than usual. But 2 cute heart-shaped wax. The wax is just coming out, guys. It got squished. Probably because it's a heavy, all them drills. Then we got your clear boat with the tray. Clear boat with the spout. I said that last time and I was like, oh, I didn't even correct myself. I do need these tweezers. I was looking for some tweezers. You'd think of all my kits that I would have. I don't know where I put them, guys. So I do need these tweezers. Okay. Are you ready? Look at her beautiful face. I am. And now I'm going to show you little bits at a time. I can probably scroll you out a little bit. Oh, isn't she pretty? Look at her beautiful eyes, her freckles, the jewel on her hat. She's sitting in the window. It looks like she's got a frame. Here's her beautiful wings, her necklace, her coat, her pen. Here's the ink pot. This is a big old canvas. Her boots with the fur. Her incense burning down here. I think that's some sort of crystal or something. What is that? No, that's like a lace on her coat. Like on right here. Yeah. That's just a part of her jacket. This is so neat, guys. Alright, so we got our thumbnail right here. Pasting area. It shows you it's a full drill. It says Willa 70 by 89, y'all. Michaelina Diamond Art Club. On the top upper left, it has the guide or the schematic. It says Do It Makes You Sparkle on top. Diamond Art Club. And then down here, it has a schematic guide, whatever you guys call it. A lifetime warranty. And maybe we might get the sparkle. You guys see that sparkle? I can see the sparkle. The canvas sparkles like no other, guys. But you can see it is clear. Those symbols are clear. And it's sticky, y'all. Some good stick. Okay. Let's show the drills. And then I'll show you where the ABs go. So I'm going to move you in more. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day wherever you're at, wherever you're from. Thank you guys so much for all of your wonderful support. You guys, when I'm not feeling good or anything like that, you guys are always commenting, always so kind to me. And I love y'all. Okay, so we got some brown. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 bags of 310, which is black. 3371, we got 1, 2, 3 bags of that. 400, we have 2 bags of 400. Your drills are looking good and looking sparkly. Got 2 bags of 3346. Look good. Here's our AB. AB is Aurora Borealis, and it has an iridescent coating on it that makes it have a rainbow effect on the way, like, depending on what drill's next to it and how you see it, like which way you see it from. Not so gorgeous. This is a beautiful color. $300 brown. Got some green. Got some darker green. These are really good drills, y'all. 2 bags of 780. 754. 951. These are peachy colors. This is a pretty color. I love this color. Caramel, darker caramel, more caramel, some peach. I do see a few concaved ones. If you guys can see those. Yeah, just don't use them drills, y'all. That's why I point them out. There's quite a few in this color. And it usually happens in the darker colors. But got this green. This green. 823 is a navy blue, like a dark blue. Got a lighter caramel. Those drills. Y'all. All these drills are concaved. Can you see that? See? All those. That means they have too much of a dip in the... It's not just a regular little dimple, it's concaved. Oh my goodness. This is the worst bag I've ever seen. It's everywhere. I don't know if I see one that's not. Maybe this one. That one. That one. Yeah. I'm gonna have to show them this bag. I'm definitely gonna show them this bag. Because that's not acceptable. That's just one color though. That's good. Hopefully we don't see any more like that, right? Right. Oh, I thought we were not going to have any more 310. I thought we were lucky. I don't know how many bags I counted, but we got one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. I think we had 8 before, so that's going to bug me now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 16 bags of 310. That's a lot of 310, y'all. And then 939. Those are looking good. Can't really see. Those look good, guys. And we got our smaller amounts. 898. Oh, chocolate color. Light yellow. 415 is a gray. Got a green. Beige. See, there's a concave drill. That's okay, because look. Looks like there's only maybe It looks like I only see one. That other package, oh my goodness. I thought I was seeing things, y'all. This is like an off-white. These drills look good. These drills look great. Ooh, I love this color. I love it. Those look great. These drills look good. I see one that has a tab on it, but other than that, those look good. That's such a pretty blue. Those drills look great. I see a tab right there. Just don't use that one, that's all. Got a brown chocolate color. Milk chocolate. Like a charcoal. Green. Baby food. 803. Beautiful blue. One concave drill right there that I can see. Got some beige. Some more blue. And y'all, I just point out the drills that are bad so people know don't use those drills. If you do, it messes up your canvas. And to just tell people that, hey, not all drills, I'm telling you, no company is perfect. Okay, now let's figure out where these ABs go. Let me bring it back out further. Okay, so we just have one AB, and that is the white. Okay, sorry guys. So, right here, we have some, and on top of the ash pile, and then right here, got some come up here, all the way up here in the smoke, and the whoop-de-whoop, the little circle, then down here, then we got some right here. Got one right there. This looks white, y'all, but it's not. It's number 3. But I would put white right there. I thought there would be some in the book, but there's not. Okay, let's keep going up, guys. So the 3 is also right here. It's probably that really light off-white color. So she's got some right here surrounding her. So it looks like it's surrounding her, guys. On her wings. No, Marshall. No. No. Marshall, get. Go. Marshall. Hey. Go. Some right here. On the tips. We've got some right here. Right through here. Here. All those. Then we got some surrounding her going this way. Up through here. Here. And her wings. All that. And her wings. Then we got some in her eyes. And we got some in the feather right there. And I don't see any more, guys. So this is her again. Look at her cute freckles. I'm definitely going to bling her out. I love her curls. Look at these curls. How they get these, they render these so well. Move, Marshall. Move.